Hey guys, this is how to play Even Though I'm Leaving by Luke Combs. It's a super great song. It's easy to play, strumming's easy and everything. The only hard part is just remembering that the chords change, the order of the chords changes a little bit, but it's really easy to play overall. So here's how you do it. So the beginning is the intro and the chorus are the exact same. Alright, so it starts out with D, and then it goes to G, B, and then A. Alright, so all you gotta do is it starts out with, alright, so it's D, G, B, A. Alright, and then the verse is a little bit different. It's D, G, D, A. Alright, so it's Daddy, I'm afraid, D, won't you stay? And then it goes to G, stay a little while, back to D, keep me safe, 'cause there's monsters right outside. Then A, Daddy, please don't go. Alright, then it goes back to D and just repeats through the same stuff throughout the verse. The only time it's different is in the pre-chorus, in the verse anyway. It goes from, so it's D, G, D, A for the verse, and then the pre-chorus, he plays B, A, G, or bag. That helps me remember it sometimes, if they spell out words. But then, so he's like, before he left, he hugged my neck and said, alright, so it's just B, A, G. Before he left, B, before he left, alright, so that's an easy way to remember that. Before he left, he hugged my neck and said, so B, A, G is the pre-chorus part, alright? And then remember the chorus is the exact same as the intro. So it's that same D, G, B, A. Now he played that through 3 times. So it's just 'cause I'm leaving, it don't mean that, because I'm leaving. So it's D, it don't mean that, G, I won't be right by your side. And then A, alright? So he does that, and then at the end, after he plays those through 3 times, the one difference is then he does G, A. Alright, just to, even though I'm leaving, I ain't going nowhere. Alright, then it starts back up, and it runs through the intro part one more time. So D, G, B minor right here. So B, A. Alright, and then it's back to the verse. Alright, and that's the entire song. It's super easy, really fun to play. Let me know if you have any questions, if there's any other songs you'd like me to put up, if you have any special requests or anything. But I love Luke Combs, he's so great. So yeah, so hope you guys love it, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.